You're a Jamaican, but you're working overseas. So here's the big question. Do your Jamaican worker rights travel with you, or do they stop at the airport? Let's break it down clearly. What rights apply when Jamaicans work abroad? What laws protect you? And what you need to know before signing a contract overseas. In this video, we will look at Jamaican workers abroad. Do your rights follow you? Your Jamaican labor laws usually do not apply once you are working in another country. When you work abroad, you are mainly protected by the labor laws of the country you are working in. Your rights depend on your employment contract. Special rules may apply if you are on a government-to-government program. So, what happens to Jamaican labor laws? Jamaican labor laws generally apply within Jamaica. Once you work overseas, Jamaican minimum wage does not apply. Jamaican overtime rules do not apply. Jamaican dismissal rules do not apply. This means local law takes over. What protects you abroad? Your protection comes from three main places. 1. The labor laws of the host country. 2. Your employment contract. 3. International agreements or work programs. There is a special case for government-sponsored work programs. Many Jamaicans work overseas under programs like seasonal agricultural worker programs, hospitality or farm work schemes, bilateral labor agreements. These programs often include extra protections. This may cover minimum hours, housing standards, transportation, health coverage, dispute support. Always read program rules carefully. Your contract is critical when working abroad. Before signing, check pay rate and hours, overtime rules, housing or accommodation terms, deductions, health insurance, early termination rules. Your contract is your shield. What about NIS and benefits? Working abroad may affect your Jamaican benefits. NIS contributions usually stop unless you arrange voluntary payments. Pension and benefits depend on the host country system. Some programs allow limited portability. Check before you travel. What if your rights are violated abroad? If you face abuse, underpayment, or unsafe conditions, document everything. Contact local labor authorities in that country. Reach out to the Jamaican High Commission or Consulate. Contact program coordinators if applicable. You're not alone. Do not assume Jamaican law will protect you overseas. Always research host country laws. Get contracts in writing. Ask questions before signing. Avoid unofficial recruiters. Your rights don't disappear, but they do change. When you work abroad, protection comes from where you work, what you sign, and what program you're under. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share so more Jamaicans working overseas understand their rights before they travel or sign contracts. Stay informed. Stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.